A farmer plants potatoes and corn on a 10-hectare piece of land. The number of hectares of corn, C, must be at least twice the number of hectares of potatoes, P. Write two inequalities to represent this scenario. What we are required to do is to write two inequalities to represent the scenario. Now, it would be easy if we would dissect the statement of the problem, singling out the details required of one inequality and then do that for the next inequality. Now we have potatoes and corn on a 10-hectare. That's what we are saying, potatoes and corn on a 10-hectare. Hectare of corn is C, hectares of potatoes P, and we only have 10 hectares. He has 10 hectares. That must be shared between the number of hectares of corn C and the number of hectares of potatoes P. The space used cannot be more than 10 hectares. That's what he has. He has 10 hectares. He cannot use more than 10 hectares. It must therefore be 10 hectares or less. 10 or less. Therefore, the sum of the hectares of corn C and the number of hectares of potatoes P must be less than or equal to 10. And that is what is required. Single out details that are specific to the second inequality. And it is as easy as this. C at least twice P. It's as easy as that. C is at least twice P. Twice just means 2 times. At least means that number or more. Nothing can be less than the least. The least is the smallest number. So, every other number must be equal to that number or greater. Therefore, if we have the least, whatever we have at the least, everything else must be equal to that number or greater than or equal to. Therefore, C at least twice P. C greater than or equal to P. And that is our other inequality.
Download Richard James Mathematics Resources app from the Google Play Store and have all of your examination solutions, instructional manuals, and other electronic books and booklets in one place. Also, have all of our products and services at your fingertips and on the go. Call or WhatsApp 876-351-9689 or 876-318-8848 for all hard copy books and booklets to complement your studies. Significant discounts will be given to everyone who is registered with any of our programs.